Hey! Today I'll introduce how to make a low-carb chocolate without adding sugar. You know chocolate is made from cocoa beans. To say it very short, cocoa beans are first fermented, dried, roasted. The shells are removed and ground up. Then they are mixed with sugar or oils and so on, finally becoming a chocolate as we know. But I don't want the cocoa with sugar or other ingredients mixed up. I want to make 100% cocoa chocolate because to improve the quality of sleep, did you know sugar keeps us awake? It acts as a stimulant for many of us, making us hard to fall asleep. Not only that, it has many negative effects on us, so please be careful. Okay, first I'll talk about how amazing cocoa is. It is very nutritious. In fact, it was used for the medical purposes for centuries in many cultures. And today, I'll focus on these two, polyphenol and theobromine. They help you sleep well. Polyphenol and theobromine both expand the blood vessels. As a result, it improves your brain function. And also, some researchers say they reduce your stress. Reducing stress would definitely help you sleep well, don't you think? While theobromine has widened your blood vessels, it improves the blood flow, and it gives you a great energy. It could work as a stimulant, similar to the caffeine, but at the same time, it can help you to sleep well, because it balances and improves the brain chemistry. Cool, right? And theobromine used to be used for treating asthma apparently, as it helps your lungs to relax. With your relaxed lung, you can breathe deeply. Deep breathing is very important for a good sleep. Oh, by the way, cocoa also contains tryptophan. I talked about it in the previous video. It stimulates serotonin and melatonin, which make you relax. Cocoa contains a few caffeine, which keeps you awake, But its amount is far less than in a cup of coffee, so don't worry too much. Alrighty, enough talking. Now let's make a low-carb chocolate. What you need is cocoa powder, cocoa butter, and as a sweetener, inulin. Inulin is a type of dietary fiber which helps beneficial bacteria to grow. And cocoa butter. It is a fat that comes from cocoa beans. This plays the significant role in the texture of chocolate. So, cocoa powder and cocoa butter. I like mixing them in a 1:1 ratio. So today I use 50 grams of cocoa butter and 50 grams of cocoa powder. Okay, let's begin. Putting the cocoa butter into the bowl and then the bowl into the hot water to melt the cocoa butter. Cocoa butter's melting point is around 34 to 38 degrees. And when the temperature exceeds 25 degrees, it starts to melt. So please be careful not to overheat. See? Oh, it smells nice. It smells like chocolate already. And then I'd add cocoa powder and mix them all well. At this point, the chocolate is too bitter, so I add inulin today to make it sweet. I added just about 15 grams or so. Okay, that's enough. And now I put it into the mold. Done! looks good. They look like chocolate. Let's try. It's pretty bitter, but nice. I succeeded today, finally. I failed making cheese. I failed making kinako. But now I did it. This is amazing if you are on a low-carb diet. It was fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. ありがとうございました。おやすみなさい。